Hi guys! Actually, padulong ko maligo. Pero, di ko mahilo na kailangan ako ng istorya. Disclaimer lang, share ko lang to. So, huwag kang engot. Okay? Sige, start. Um, sa relasyon, normal lang jud ang away. Yes. And there is no perfect relationship in this world. Kahit pa anong gawin mo at kahit pa anong sabihin mo. Yes, there is no perfect relationship. And for me, for a relationship to work out, I think both of you guys to do something for your relationship to work out. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi kasi pwede yung isa lang. Huwag ganoon, ate, kuya. Hindi talaga mag-work yon pag isa lang ang todo bigay or todo gawa ng efforts. Kahit konting efforts lang, basta isa lang, hindi yun mag-work out. Hindi talaga. Huwag ganun. And for your relationship to work out, I think both of you guys to do something for your relationship to work out. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi balance 'yon pag isa lang. And for me, do not compare your past to your present, 'di ba? Kasi pag okay si past, edi sana kayo pa. Edi sana wala si present ngayon. Ganon. Huwag i-compare, ate, kuya. Kasi pag kinumpare mo, nasasaktan yan si present. Trust me, masakit yun. And siguro, yes, meron kang doubt. Normal yon, oo. Siguro everyone could feel that. Lalo na pag bago pa kayo. Meron talaga yung doubt. Pero, stop asking or wag puro what if. Wag overthinker or wag mag-overthink kasi nakakasira yun. Yes. Nakakaisip ka kasi ng ano-ano until na inaaway mo na siya, yun. Hindi yun mabuti. Wag puro what if. Start taking risk. You only live once, so take risk. Kung failure man or hindi mag-work, at least alam mo sa sarili mo na ginawa mo yung sa tingin mo ang tama, 'di ba? You give your best, pero kung failure man, at least, 'di ba? Hindi ka magsisisi sa huli. Wag overthink. It destroys you. Believe me. And you only live once. Ulit-ulit na ako. Yeah, you only live once, so take risk. And one more thing, sa relationship, kailangan no secrets and no lies. Yes, importante yun sa akin. Kasi, lalo na pag binigay niya sa'yo yung trust niya, huwag ka mag-lie. Kasi, ang trust, it takes, matagal na bibigay ang trust, pero it takes seconds to destroy. Yeah, it's true. And once na nag-lie ka, tapos nalaman niya, isipin niya baka naglalay na naman to. Yes, yun, overthink na naman. Kaya wag mag-lie. Importante yun sa relationship, lalo na kung LDR kayo or hindi kayo palaging nakikita. Kasi yun, ganun. And no secrets, importante din yun. Tell him or her, maybe not everything, but majority of what's going on your life and kung sino ka talaga. Importante yun kasi kailangan niya yung nalaman para alam niya ang gagawin. Alam niya kung anong approach niya sa'yo, especially sa past mo or sa family mo. And it helps your partner to to approach, it helps your partner on how to approach you. So yun, for a relationship to work out, siguro no, stop overthinking, take risk, wag puro what if, and no secrets and lies. Yun lang. Okay, bye.